Hello from Hengehold Trucks. Check out this 2024 Isuzu NPR HD 20-foot box truck with 18,311 miles. I'm a little biased, but this might be the most beautiful vehicle ever built. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include a 6.6-liter V8 gas engine made by GM, a 2,500-pound Palfinger liftgate with an 80-inch by 44-inch steel platform, a backup camera, E-Trac, and wood slats for cargo control, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.